Do you know that stitch braid hairstyle is one of the beautiful African braid hairstyle? So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Favor Beauty World channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make stitch braid. So guys, just watch and learn how to make stitch braid, and do not forget to leave a comment for me. As you can see, the hair is already parted very well, and they styled it with edge control or eco wax styling gel, any one of your choice. Then you will start braiding. As you can see, she's actually sectioning it one after the other so that the stitch braid will show, so that the braiding will be very neat. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel, where I make video about hairstyle, fashion, beauty, and everything between. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family, and do not forget to turn on your bell notification to get notified whenever I post a video, because I post interesting videos and content in this channel. To my returning viewers, thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys' love and support. Watch the video guys, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up.